KZ keeps its packaging philosophy consistent, minimalist, functional, and product-focused. Inside the box, the Duet earbuds are presented alongside two sets of ear tips designed to support both semi-in-ear and in-ear configurations, a cable with inline controls, and documentation. The inclusion of interchangeable ear tips is particularly relevant here, as it fundamentally changes both comfort and acoustic performance. The presentation may not be luxurious, but it is efficient, with resources clearly invested in the hardware rather than the packaging. The KZ Duet combines translucent resin housings with metallic stems, creating a modern, understated aesthetic. The finish varies between obsidian black and porcelain white, both maintaining a clean, tech-forward look. The materials feel durable without adding unnecessary weight, and the overall construction inspires confidence for daily use. The inline control module is compact and houses dual microphones with improved sensitivity. This is not just a spec upgrade. In practice, voice pickup is noticeably clearer compared to standard single mic implementations.